morning. We are standing in the bed of Dudhi river. It is just near Mandu, Hazaribag, and there is a very good exposure of shell. So this is all Talchir shell, and we can see a very beautiful structure. This is folded structure, and this is very tight fold. So we can observe the bed. This is bedding plane of the shell. It is moving like this. It is moving like this. And the axial plane of this fold is not a plane surface. It is also curved. So we can see, so this is the position of axial plane. This is like this. Like this. So it is non-plane type of fold. A very beautiful structure.